You got a fish on?
Yep.
Yes, my man.
Holy shit, what the fuck is that? Hang on, watch out, watch out, watch out.
You want me to make a slow right turn?
Yeah. Hold the, Just keep us a little bit to the left.
A little bit to the left.
Come on with it, come on with it.
Oh, let's look at that. Look at that.
Out here on the water, it's all about freedom, family, and unforgettable moments. At Homemade Real Estate, we believe finding a home should feel the same way. That's why we're proud to be the official real estate partner of Nanny's Revenge Fishing Charters. Because the best part of the coast isn't just the water, it's having a place to call home.
Yeah, what do we got?
Albie.
Woo, baby.
All right, pull that rod out of the holder and start walking towards the front of the boat. Don't drop it. All right.
Oh, look at that.
Hell yeah. Damn, something was chasing it.
You saw that big body, right?
Yeah, there was something right behind it.
That's a big dude, yeah. Let's do it.
Good job, sir, good job. That's a stud right there, boy. All right, hold the wheel for me, Mr. Dennis. Hey man, he hooked the shit out of him too. Let me grab my. That was a weird trailing for sure. Nice work, gentlemen, nice work.
Yeah.
All right.
Can I take a picture of you with it real quick?
Oh yeah, let's let him pass out. And I'll get you here in just a moment. All right, everybody watch your toes. A little to the left, boss. Lines are looking a little bit too close over there.
Yeah, boy.
A little to the right. Sorry. All right.
Go.
Let's go. All right, keep it right just like that, straight ahead. Not right this second. We need to make sure the lines are straight back here so they. All right, a little to the right. Hold what you got right there. Thank you, sir. Woo! Good job, boys.